Hi guys, today we are going to understand what is a GIF. So this displayed function on the screen, that is GIF of x, is actually greatest integer function, and it is very important as far as your JEE Mains exam is concerned. So today we are going to understand what is this GIF or greatest integer function. So let us take an example. Suppose GIF of 7.2 is asked. So what you'll do is you'll draw a number line, you'll draw number 7 and 8. Definitely number 7.2 will lie between 7 and 8. So mark your number on the number line. Then you have to move towards the left of the number. The immediate integer that you find out is actually your GIF. So here the immediate integer that we found out is 7. Hence the GIF of 7.2 is actually 7. So let us take one more example to calculate the GIF. Let me say GIF of 3.7 is asked. So what we will do is draw a number line, draw number 3 and number 4. Definitely 3.7 lies between 3 and 4. I will mark the number, and in order to calculate or determine the GIF of 3.7, I will move towards the left of the number. To the left of the number, I find out an immediate integer which is 3, and hence the GIF of 3.7 is just 3. So now we have seen the GIF of positive numbers. What about negative numbers? So let us take an example, minus 2.7. Once again you will draw a number line. You will draw number minus 2 and number minus 3. Definitely your number minus 2.7 lies between minus 2 and minus 3. So mark your number on the number line. In order to find out the GIF of minus 2.7, you move towards the left of the number. The immediate integer that you find out is minus 3. Hence the GIF of minus 2.7 is minus 3. Let us take one more example. Let me say we need to find out the GIF of minus 0.5. Now this is very important in order to understand GIF of negative numbers. Let me say I draw 0, 1 and minus 1. Where does this minus 0.5 lie? So minus 0.5 lies between 0 and minus 1. So mark your number on the number line. Then in order to find out the GIF, we move towards the left of the number. The immediate integer that we found out was minus 1. Hence the GIF of minus 0.5 is actually minus 1. Now we need to understand how do we use this GIF in the chapter of limits. Let us say limit of x tends to 1 plus GIF of x is asked. So what does this 1 plus means? It just means that the number is very close to 1 and to the right hand side of 1. Let us draw this number line. This is 1 and this is 2. So 1 plus actually lies in the vicinity of 1 and very close to 1 on the right hand side. So I can take this number as 1.001, let us say, which can lie over here somewhere. Now in order to determine the GIF, we move towards the left of the number. The immediate integer that we found out is 1. Hence the GIF of limit x tends to 1 plus is actually 1. Now let us take an example of limit x tends to 1 minus GIF of x. Limit x tends to 1 minus GIF of x. So what is this? Simply x tends to 1 minus means the number lies in the vicinity of 1 but towards the left hand side. So the number will be somewhere here. It could be treated as any number which is close to 1 and to the left hand side of 1. In order to calculate the GIF, we will move towards the left hand side of the number, and the immediate number that we found out, which is an integer, is actually 0. So the answer for this GIF is 0. In order to understand this in a better way, you can also take x as some number. Let us say x is x is 0.99. Now this particular number lies just to the left of 1. So 0.99 will lie somewhere here. But if you move towards the left of the number, the immediate integer that you found out is 0. Hence the GIF is 0. Now let us understand if limit x tends to 0 is given. So I'll have to calculate limit x tends to 0 plus GIF of x. Now simply draw the number line, draw the number 0, over here 1 and over here minus 1. 0 plus is a number which lies very close to 0, in the vicinity of 0. So definitely you will have to move towards the left of the number, and the immediate integer that you found out is 0. Hence the answer is 0. In order to understand this in a better way, we will take a number. So 0 plus number can be taken as 0.001, let us say. So if we move towards the left of this number, the immediate integer that we found out is 0, as the GIF is 0. Let us take an example of limit x tends to 0 minus. So we can take this number line, this is 0, 1, and let me say this is minus 1. So 0 minus will be a number which lies towards the left hand side and which lies somewhere over here. In order to find out the GIF, we need to move towards the left of the number, and the immediate integer that is found out is minus 1. Hence the GIF is minus 1. In order to understand this in a better way, you can also do this. 0 minus can be taken as a number minus 0.001. On the number line, if you need to show this, you will show this something like this. Minus 0.001 will lie somewhere over here, and if you move towards the left, you will find out that this is your number minus 1, which is your GIF. Now let us take a very simple question in order to understand GIF in greater details. Let me say limit x tends to 3 minus is asked for 3 minus x. So over here I can say, as x is tending to 3 minus, I can take any number which is towards 3 but approaching from the left hand side. So we can say x as 2.99. So what will be 3 minus 2.99? It will just be 0.01. And as you can see, the GIF of 0.01 can be found out simply by doing this. Let me add a page. What we will do over here is draw the number line 0, 1, and 0.01 can be written like this. In order to find out the GIF, we will move towards the left of the number, and the immediate integer that is found out is 0. Hence, the GIF of limit x tends to 3 minus x for x tends to 3 minus will just be 0. I hope you have understood GIF in greater details. In the chapter of limits and differential calculus, GIF plays a very important role. Thank you for watching the video, guys.